Alright guys, welcome back. Yesterday I got started on this top piece here, this canopy cover. I cut out that bad piece that was bent. And I really couldn't find any pipe around here that was as thick as this. But I did find some that was a little thin, but it's basically the same diameter. That come off of a TV antenna pole. So I've got to do some straightening on this. This is all bent. And I've got to do some bending on that to get to match this angle right here. When this thing got bent, it kinked this around this way. So I straightened it out as best I could just by hooking it on something and sitting on this, kind of bend it back a little bit. This pipe here was about like that to start with, so now it's a lot straighter. This pipe is crooked. It needs to be in line with this one. So I don't have a pipe bender, so what I'm going to have to do is heat that joker up and stick something inside it and bend it. And I think that's what I'm going to have to do with this one too. So first thing I gotta do is look around and see if I can find something that will fit in these. This one is about 1 inch inside, 1.25 inches outside, and that one is 7/8 inside, 1.25 inches outside. So that is the first thing I got to do, is find something to stick in there. Alright guys, so I found a steel rod. It'll fit in there, solid steel, so no problem with it breaking. And I've got these clamped down to these saw horses, which ain't very good, but still ain't gonna allow me to really spin very good. So what I'm gonna do is get my torch, heat that up real good, see if I can get it going. It got bubbled a little bit. A lot better than it was anyway. It will straighten out a whole lot. So now I got to figure out where I need to start making my bend to tie back into this. And so then I got another pipe here that's just a black steel pipe with some dirt in the end of it, where I've used it as a tamp that'll fit into this pipe. And I'm afraid that one's going to bubble real good. things are ripping. Alright guys, we're gonna try this again. I got the other end of this piece. It's a little long, but I can always cut it off to length. Bitch, I might put this vice. Ain't no else ands or buts. Now let's try this again. Got it bent somewhat. Hopefully it's at the right angle. A little bit of bubble on it. Not too bad. Get a little bubble hanging down right there. Check her. Pretty close right there. Not quite, but good enough. I believe I'll make it work. Just need to get it cut off now. Mark it and cut it. So I got my cut off wheel and my grinder here. Now I got to change out this cutting disc for a grinding disc. And we'll grind the edges, take a little bit of this paint off. Now we'll do the same thing to this. What I did right there is cut me a spot for a good ground, hopefully. Now we'll get our other piece and see if it's going to fit. A little bit long. crack in the bottom of it. What I see wrong with it. Alright, let's see what I need to do. I need to grind a little bit off the top right here. So I can fit up. I caught myself grinding that top there. Well, all I can say, it needs some tack welds. Alright, I'm gonna try to get this lined up and put the tack on it. About the sorriest grounding system on this MIG. I don't know, really getting a good ground. Alright. She tacked. Now all we gotta do is weld her up. Alright guys, just got done cleaning up the welds. It's not pretty, but it is serviceable. Of course, it ain't near the thickness of metal as that, so it ain't gonna take much abuse to bend it. Not too bad. If I had a good grounding cable on this MIG, it would sure help. Not too bad. It's definitely going to stay together. I could have done a little bit better job of bending this back right here, but anyway, we'll get this all cleaned up and ready for some paint. You can tell this piece is bent this way. It's bent at least an inch this way. So I'm not really sure exactly how much bend I needed there, but we made it work, and that's what matters. It might be a little bit more in than it should be. But anyway guys, that is pretty much all the hard stuff on this project. Next will be just painting. I got first coat of yellow on this cover, and I mean orange. First coat of orange on this cover, and I'm not sure I'm gonna have enough paint to finish it. But I got plenty of black paint and plenty of primer, so we can get these frames knocked out pretty quick. And hopefully by Friday, my bolts will be here and we can finish it up. If it don't rain. It's always pretty today. Mid-60s. Just a slight breeze. I think I might do some spraying. I need to spray a bunch of weeds. Be a good day to do it. So thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.